morning everyone. So today I will be solving 5 problems about power and industrial plant engineering. So first, problem number 43. So the problem is a perfect gas has value of R is equals to 58.8 foot-pound per pound kind and K is equals to 1.26. If 20 BTU are added to 10 pounds of this gas at constant volume when initial temperature is 90 degrees Fahrenheit, find the final temperature. A, which is, these are the choices. A, 97 in degree Fahrenheit, B, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, C, 154 degrees Fahrenheit, and D, 185 degrees Fahrenheit. So these are the given. So R is equals to 58.8 foot-pound per pound runtime, and K is equals to 1.26. Q is equals to 20 BTU or 15,560 foot-pound, and mass is 10 pounds, and temperature, the initial temperature is 90 degree Fahrenheit or 550 degree runtime. So here's the solution. First, we need to get the CV. So the formula for CV is equals to R over K minus 1. So all we need to do is to substitute. So R is equal to 58.8, K is 1.26 minus 1. So by using calculator, we can get 226.154 foot-pound per pound degree runtime. So now we can get the delta T. So by using this formula, Q is equals to mCV delta T. So let's just substitute. Our Q is 15,560 and M is 10, CV is this 226.154 multiplied by delta T. So we can get 6.88 degree runtime. So now we can get the final temperature. So the formula will be T sub 2 is equals to T sub 1 plus delta T. So just substitute. Our T sub 1 is 550 plus our delta T is 6.88. We can get 506.88 degree runtime. So now we need to do is we will convert back to Fahrenheit. So we just need to minus the 556.88 to 460. So we can get 96.88 or 97 degrees Fahrenheit. So the final answer is letter A, 97 degrees Fahrenheit. So next is the problem number 44. So the problem is ammonia weighing 22 kilograms is confirmed inside a cylinder equipped with a piston has an initial pressure of 413 kPa at 38 degrees Celsius. If 3,200 kilojoules of heat is added to the ammonia until its final pressure and temperature is 413 kPa and 100 degrees Celsius, respectively, what is the amount of work done by the fluid in kilojoules? So the choices are A, 667, B, 304, C, 420, and D, 502. So these are the given. Our mass is 22 kilograms, our initial temperature is 413 kPa with a temperature of 38 degrees or 311 Kelvin. Our final pressure is 413 kPa with a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin. Our Q is 3,200 kilojoules and our M is 17 kilogram per kilomole. So the solution, we need to find first the N. So the formula for N is mass over this M is 17 kilogram per kilomole. So we can get 1.29 kilomole, and the R is equals to RU, which is the value of RU is 8.314. So now we can get the work done. So the formula we will use is the work is equals to NR multiplied by T sub 2 minus T sub 1. So just substitute 1.294 times 8.314 times 373 minus 311. We we can get the work of 667 kilojoules, or which is letter A, 667 kilojoules. So next, problem number 48. The problem is our refrigeration plant is rated at 15 tons capacity. How many pounds in air per hour will it cool from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit at constant temperature? So the choices are A, 50,000 pounds per hour, B, 37,500 pounds per hour, C, 52,000 pounds per hour, and D, 45,000 pounds per hour. So the given are Q is equals to 15 tons or 180,000 BTU per hour. Our delta T is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Our Cp is 0.24 BTU per pound degree Fahrenheit. So the solution we need to use the formula M is equals to Q over Cp times delta T. So we need to do is substitute only. So Q is 180,000, Cp is 0.24, and our delta T is 20. So by using calculator, you can get 37,500 pounds per hour, which is letter B, 37,500 pounds per hour. So next is problem number 51. Wait. 51. So steam, the problem is steam at 2 MPa and 250 degrees Celsius in a rigid cylinder is cooled until the quality is 30%. Find the heat rejected from the cylinder. So at 2 MPa and 250 degrees Celsius, our U is 0.1114 cubic meter per kilogram. At the so at 2 MPa, which is saturated, our UF is 0.0011767, and our UG is 0.09963 cubic meter per kilogram. So the choices are A, negative 423.23 kilojoules per kilogram, B, negative 986.86 kilojoules per kilogram, letter C, negative 1,265.02 kilojoules per kilogram, and letter D, 1,082.34 kilojoules per kilogram. So the given are U sub 1 is equal to 2,679.6 kilojoules per kilogram. Our U sub F is equals to 906.49 kilojoules per kilogram, and our UFG is 1,693.8 kilojoules per kilogram, and our X, which is 0.3. So the solution, we will use the formula of H sub 2 is equals to U sub F plus X times UFG. So what we need to do is to substitute the given. So UF is 9,006.49 plus X, which is 0.3 multiplied by UFG, which is 1,693.8. So by using calculator, you can get 1,414.58 kilojoules per kilogram. Now we can get the Q. So the formula is Q is equals to U sub 2 minus U sub 1. So 1,414.58 minus 2,679.6, we can get negative 1,265.02 kilojoules per kilogram, or letter C, which is letter C, negative 12,965.02. So lastly, the problem number 55. So the problem is water substance at 70 bar and 65 degrees Celsius enters a boiler tube of constant inside diameter of 25 mm. The water leaves the boiler tube at 50 bar and 70 given at velocity of 100 meter per second. Calculate the net velocity in meter per second. So the choices are A 1.56, B 2.51, C 1.672, and D is 3.230. So the given are our U is equivalent to 0.001, 017, or U sub 2 is 0.06081. So the solution, we will use the solution of V sub 1 is equals to V sub 2 multiplied by V sub 1 over V sub 2. So by substituting, we can get the shape B, which is 150 meter per second. So just we are going to do is to substitute. So our V2 is 150 meter per second. Our V1 is 0.001017. Our V2 is 0.06081. So by simplifying it, we can get V sub 1, which is 2.51 meter per second, or which is letter B, 2.51 meter per second, and that will be all.